In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Dola AI app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is install it on your device, and then you have to sign in using either your phone number, your Google account, or your Facebook account. So it's completely up to you. It's super simple, and whenever you do this, this is what you're going to see, which is your main dashboard. Now, at the very top left, you have the option to basically scan a QR code. That is, if you basically want to like sign in or, of course, give access to, for example, your desktop version, desktop app, or whatever. As you can see, you can just scan the QR code from the desktop app to log in, or of course on dola.com. So that's why you can use this. Now let's get into the main interface. Now in here on Dola, if I go back, there we go, it's going to give me a few buttons at the bottom. Now at the very bottom left, the first one is chats. In here, there's going to be your chats. By default, you're going to have just one, which is going to be the Dola chat, dola.com. And as you can see here, I had some conversations, some image generation, stuff like that. We're going to get into that in just a few seconds. And then of course here you have multiple other chats if you decide to add them. You could go at the top right and tap on the pen button, and that's going to allow you to start a new chat, and you can go ahead and start messaging it or doing whatever you want, okay? So we're now quickly going to go through what you can do using your chats. Now you have the search button at the bottom right as well, which is going to search for your chats in case you have a lot of different ones. So I'm now going to start a new one, and this is what you can do inside your chats. At the very top right, you can see you have kind of the phone icon, which basically allows you to basically talk to it. So as you can see right now, you can basically make call with Dola AI, or you can enable audio or disable audio or speech as they call it, which is going to basically start reading whatever you're typing and Dola is typing out, or of course it can be muted and it's not going to read out, so you can read it yourself. Now in here you can type in whatever messages you want. So for example, I'm going to type in hello right now. Right now, as you can see, for some reason it says I don't have internet, so I'm gonna have to connect. There we go. And then it's going to basically start talking to you, and you can use this for whatever you want. So down it says homework, AI creation, edit image, writing, translate, read file, read web page. There's a bunch of different things you can use Dola AI for, okay? So as you can see, there we go. I refresh this. Now it says, hello, how can I help you today? You can go and chat with it. You could go and, for example, create something at the bottom, so you can just go and tap on the voice button and it's going to say hold to speak. You could go and add in images to edit, to create, or whatever you want to do, okay? And then at the bottom left, you have kind of a photo icon, which is going to be your camera, where you can take photos, and that way you can basically use them inside your chats for your creations or whatever you want to use them, okay? Now, this is basically how to use your chats. Now I'm going to go back, and now you have the Discover tab at the bottom, and inside this Discover tab, I'm just going to tap it. There we go. You have different bots. So if you want to know how to use bots, super simple. You want to find the bot you want, you can either scroll, go by categories up top and search for them, and you can tap on the bot to preview it, and if you want to talk to it, you can start talking to it over here, or you can just tap on the plus button next to a bot, and it's going to go inside your chats, and you can talk with it over here. Then you have the AI create button at the bottom middle, where you can create images or videos, so you can tap image or video. From here, you can add references, and then you can set, of course, styles. So whatever style of image you want, you have the option to change ratios, so the sizes of your image. Then you can outpaint it, which is like expanding images, or upscale images, which is basically going to make them bigger, and of course, keep or adjust quality. You can just describe image. So for example, over here, I'm just going to type in dog in a park, and I'm going to type in style, and I'm going to select cartoon. There we go. I'm not going to do any references, and I'm going to tap on the arrow button, and it's going to create that specific image. Now up top over here, you can see I've generated some images already. Some were generated from my images, some were generated from scratch over here, and this one is almost ready as well. So you'll be able to see what's going to happen right now. It's going to be a fun 3D cartoon image, as it says, of a dog in a park. So wait for a few seconds, and there we go. We have like 4 different variants of that specific image, okay? Of course, you can then tap on the image, you can download it, you can save it, make it public, edit it, or make a video out of it in the top right, or share it as well, okay? Of course, swiping it is going to go through the variations that were created for you. So if I now go back over here, You also have the notifications button where you can see your notifications if you have any, and then you have the profile button at the bottom right as well, where you can basically manage your profile. You can manage your settings in the top right if you tap on the cogwheel, and you can do pretty much everything you can with your account, share it, change voices, text and theme, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to use Dola AI app. It's super simple and there's really not much things you could go wrong with. If you need any more in-depth tutorials, I do have a full playlist on Dola AI, so you can go watch that for more in-depth guides. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.